I'm Alissa. Today's video is a work day in my life, work from home routine, what I eat in a day. I mean, you name it, this video is covering it. I wanted to show you guys a little bit into my work life and routine and share it with you. I'm about to take a break and make some breakfast, but I wanted to answer some quick questions on what I do for work. So I work in tech at a startup in New York City, and I am in charge of our new business commercial strategy. So I am in charge of thinking about tactical ideas, using data to drive decisions, and also coming up with challenging yet fun ways that we can incorporate new strategies to our new business teams. So I've been working there for almost 3 years now, and that was one of the reasons that I moved out to New York City from Los Angeles. And my workday is pretty flexible. I do work remotely because of the pandemic, and I normally work 9 to about 5:30, 6, but some days are longer, some days are shorter. That's just the life of a salaried employee. It just really depends. So let's go make some breakfast. So for breakfast, picked these up at the grocery store for 99 cents. They're the Vital Farms egg bites. I think they're similar to the sous vide bites at Starbucks, which I really like. So we're gonna try to make these. I think I just put them in the microwave, but 17 grams of protein comes with 2 bites and 99 cents. You know I picked up 3. So for lunch today, I'm gonna be making a bell pepper, shrimp, and smoked sausage skillet. Should be really quick and easy for me to whip up for me and my boyfriend. And it should be done only in 30 minutes. I like to cook quick and lighter meals for lunch just because you do have to get through the rest of the day. And then for dinner, we usually have something a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna get to cooking and show you guys the finished product. Using 2 bell peppers, 1 smoked indolent chicken sausage, a little bit of parsley, herb garden, and then the shrimp, which I'm going to be peeling and cleaning as well. And then I'm just going to add it all to this bowl, cook it up in the cast iron skillet. day is over and I am starting to cook dinner. I'm gonna make some crispy tacos and I'm doing a pork chop for the boy and some shrimp for me. I've actually never done crispy tacos, so we're gonna try. I got these soft corn tortillas and then some shredded cabbage mix. I love shredded cabbage, especially with shrimp tacos, and I love crispy tacos. So, cooking up the pork right now, and then I will check back in. Here are the finished tacos. Matthew's making some of this pork one, and I cannot wait to eat it. I'm so hungry. So I'm going out with a group of friends tonight to a restaurant in West Village, and I need to get ready. I have about 30 minutes, which I think should be fine. I just need to do my hair, makeup, and then the outfit. So I will check back in when that is done. And keep in mind, this is a Friday night. Normally I don't go out on work nights because I need my sleep, but Friday night, we're going out. Just called my Uber and I'm wearing a top from Shein. Pants are from Agolde. Shoes are Forever 21 haul, Chanel bag. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video so that I know you guys want to see more vlogs from me. And until next time.